Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. Start by opening one of your apps like Play Store and clicking on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to tap on the icon of an app and select Open in Pop-up View. As you can see, now I can use my Play Store in this little window over here. If you wish to make it small, just click on Home button. If you wish to access it again, tap on the bubble. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this blue line and place your app wherever you wish to. You can also use it to overlay other apps by selecting the other app and operating in both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by holding the bubble or the window and dragging it to remove section, but you can also just close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!